All right, boys and girls, here we go. Here we go. Look what's up. The sail is up. And that's where we were, way over there. And the mizzen sail is up. So we've got our cutter and our mizzen up, and we're frickin' sailing. Got it. So, yeah, pretty frickin' cool. We were told we had to move the other day. Found a bunch of stuff hooked on our anchor chain, or our anchor rope. Got help to pull the rope. Had to cut the rope. Long story short, we're good to go now. So, yeah. We're making away. There's the catamarans over there.
I think we're good here.
Here, let me go this way. That probably works better, doesn't it?
Good here. Just keep sailing. I think we're good here, though. We don't want to go any closer to the base.
No, that's why I'm pulling it in.
Well, no, I want to let it out so we can go to the right more.
Oh, I got it backwards. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm still learning this stuff.
Okay, but I think we can just do something here now and figure out whether we're going to motor or not, right?
There's some idiots at the base. I'm not very happy with my U.S. Navy. Jerk-offs. So anyway, I think you need to pull that in a little.
We may as well drop. We don't need to get any further from them.
Oh, you want to drop right here?
We don't need to get any further from them. They're already hanging on their back. Look at how close they are to base.
Okay. But that means they're gonna be doing those exercises right next to us.
I can't sail any into the wind. Are you gonna paddle us over there?
All right. Well, that's it for today. See you later. Bye.